Assalamualaikum beautiful friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to make potato stuffed breads, which is called aloo paratha. So for this, here I'm taking 1 kg of potatoes, which is boiled and mashed, as you can see. So here I'm taking some things I'm gonna tell you. 1 tablespoon of salt, or as you like. Green chilies, 2 tablespoons. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Allspice powder, half tablespoon. Cumin, this is roasted and crushed cumin. Firstly you have to roast it, then crush it. So here I am taking 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Onions, you can take 2 to 3 medium, or 1 large and 1 medium onion. So normally slice it, and 1 bunch of coriander leaves. So let's start making it. So firstly we have to add some dry ingredients. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm adding here cumin powder and salt, green chilies, and coriander leaves. Now we have to mix it very well, and everything. You should mix it properly. So now we have to fry the onions. So now our oil is in a pot. I'm gonna add the onions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have to brown it. Our onion is brown enough. I'm gonna add the potato. So now mix it. We have to saute it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will add the dry ingredients: coriander powder, chili flakes, and allspice powder. Mix it. And it's getting in a texture like this. It's sticking around it by itself, as you can see. So it means it's almost done. You don't have to saute it for more. I've also added red chili powder. If you want it spicy a little bit, so you can add it. It's an optional thing. If it's done, our mixture is done. We have to let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. So now our potato is enough cold. It's enough cool now. So here I'm taking some. Firstly we have to dust some flour on it. Here I'm taking some dough. We will divide it equally in 3 segments like this. Now we will make 3 balls of it. Like this. Okay. if you need some dust, you can also dust on it, so it will be easy for you. So now we have to stuff the potatoes in it. So just press it like this and keep pressing in the sides of this and rotate it and keep pressing in it. It's perfectly flat now. Do it evenly. Now take it on your hand and fill it with the potatoes. This mix is really awesome in taste. You would really gonna love it. If you like our recipes, let me know in the comment section below. Just do this like this. That's it. And in the end, press it. It's done now. Now we have to roll it. Press this. Press, press, press. So the potato mixture will get evenly, spread. Spread as you can, as much as you can. So now it's round enough. Now we have to fry it. So now we have to fry it. Put some oil, pour some on the top of it and in the sides. Okay, it's gonna be really crispy outside and it's so good in taste from inside. You would really love it. So we will fry it on a medium flame so it will not get burned. So this is our final look of aloo paratha. I hope you guys like this recipe. You can serve it with this tomato sauce that I made. If you want this recipe of tomato sauce, so let me know in the comment section. I'll share the recipe with you. So we'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. That really means a lot to me. And like it, share it and comment it. Allah Hafiz.